Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanessa of Silva Creations and I hope you all are doing really well. So this is a video I'm doing. It's not sponsored. I should say that right off. But I actually ordered something from Taperlogy. Um, I follow them on Instagram and I've seen some people you know, that are affiliates or whatever, and they've shown off stuff and I'm like, oh, that's like some really cute stuff. So they were selling this special box, like Christmas box. Um, a couple weeks ago I ordered it and it got here the other day, so I thought I would do an unboxing of it. I already opened it, but I haven't gone through everything, so I figured we could do that on here. And what I saw already, it's a lot of really cute stuff. So on top here they have this thing here, and I think these are stickers. I'm pretty excited about this. It took a while to get here, but I think it comes from somewhere pretty far away. I don't know, but yeah. But I'm so excited. When it got here, I was like, oh yeah, I can't wait to go through it and open it up. But this is just a few things. But I thought I'd share it with you guys too, so you guys can see it in case you want to get something also. So this is, it's all just like a bunch of little paper, like things that I could add to tags and stuff like that, and it's all Christmas. I wish I would have got this before I made my Christmas journal, because this all would have been really good, but I can still go through and add a few things to the journal that I'm doing for the giveaway, which will, I believe this video is going to go up on Saturday, which will be before the journal giveaway. If not, it's going to be up after. But anyway, for that journal, I'm going to add a few of these things in there because it was a little bare anyway. But yeah, this is like all of that was in there. There is so much in this box, like a lot, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, I do believe these are stickers. So let's just look at them real quick. Just a couple stickers we'll look at. Oh, they got the little gingerbread, which is cute. Let's just make sure if these are stickers before I'm saying they're stickers. Let's see. They have to be. They feel like stickers. Oh yeah, they're stickers. Okay, I can't wait to use some of these. And I apologize for the lighting. Oh, look how cute. I apologize for the lighting. I'm still needing to get, oh, I love that deer. I need to get a better setup. I'm already looking into a better stand for my phone because this one, it's hard to get a good angle. So, and then my ring light broke, so I have just this one that's attached to the stand and it's not doing it any justice. But anyway, so those are the stickers. Now we have this little box here, which has this really cute, like, fluffy ribbon around it. Oh, I like how they decorated it. So inside, oh yeah, we got wax seals. Now it didn't show, I don't think it showed everything. It was more like a mystery Christmas box, I think. I don't think it showed everything that was coming in it. If it did, I didn't pay attention. But okay, yeah, we got, oh, look at how pretty this one is. A bunch of wax seals. That's, oh, a little cookie. Ooh, this one's really pretty. This one feels like maybe hot glue. It's hard to really see it. But oh, they're all so pretty. I really like this one. You know, I've never used wax seals. I really want to get a wax seal kit, but those feel pretty cool. Those feel different. I'm wondering if that's like how they work. But I wonder if we could attach that like using like a little double-sided tape or something. Look how cute this little package is. I like that. They have it held on with a brad, which is pretty cool. And then it's open on top, and this looks like it's a bunch of little like receipts. Oh, cool. Tooth Fairy receipt. Aw, that's cool. I don't know if you guys saw it, but there it is. And then we got like these little ticket things. Oh, well, yeah, this is cool. They have a bunch of different things that you could really add to journals, and like tags and embellishments, all that. This is cool. Oh, and then they, of course, have like the dictionary page and then a bunch of this stuff. Which I have a bunch of dictionary pages from when I was ordering off Amazon when I first started junk journaling. I ordered like, you know, all those little book page kits. So, okay, let's just put that aside. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, we have this little bag. I hope you guys can see it okay. I'm trying to film this real quick before I have to get ready for work. So it might be a little, I hope it doesn't feel rushed. Oh, look at this. The little string. Oh, that would have been good for my journal. But I'm going to be making multiple journals, so it's like, again, yeah. So it's just a bunch of more of papers, just more little things. I think I have this, saw this bear earlier. So, okay, so it's a little few repeats, but that's okay. I don't mind. Especially that little bear, because that thing's cute. Okay, and here we have, let's see. I really love how they package. It's so pretty. It looks like a bunch of die cuts. I know they said on this box they partnered with someone special, and I'm not sure who it was, but it looks like someone I follow on Instagram. It's kind of her style, which I don't remember her name, but look at all this pretty stuff. All the little butterflies. I love the colors too, the cream and the white. Let's put those back away. And I really do love the packaging. I'm going to have to take a little inspiration from their packaging because it's pretty cool. We'll put that aside. All right, next we have another little package. It looks like it's more of the like papers and stuff. So, oh yeah, oh, it's like vellum. It's vellum. It's not like vellum, it is vellum. Oh, look at how cool. This is really thick feeling. I wonder what it's, oh, because there's a few in there, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Soil collection. Vouchers. I think this is pretty right here. Yeah, just a bunch of different things. Oh, look at how pretty these are. I can't wait to use these. Okay, so yeah, just a bunch of different papers there. Some more papers. Very cute. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this, there's some lace trims in here. Or some trims. Let's see. Okay, so let's open up this. We have a little doily piece here that they wrapped around it. Very cute. So we have this little lace, or not lace, this little trim here. It's like a silver. There's this one, really pretty. Now these I'm gonna try to keep put away. Look at this one. I really like that one. Some more, and this one, I really love this one a lot. I think that'll be good on a spine. Either like, you know, to cover up the sewing or whatever, but I think that looked really good. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a bunch of little flowers, like lace flowers. I think I'm gonna do a video of me making something with a few of these items, just so you can kind of see some ideas. Look at the butterfly, flowers. Oh, it's all so beautiful. Yeah, so then maybe you guys can get an idea in case you do order anything from there. You can maybe make something. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm getting kind of like spacing out a little bit because I'm just like looking at everything. I'm like, oh, wow, whoa, whoa. Oh, look at this. I think this is a little journal. It has this really pretty, oh, I like how it's tied. Wow. Like, this stuff is so beautiful. Here's the front. It's like a homemade or handmade paper. And then inside you got, oh, there's different stuff. You got like, I hope you guys can really make it out. Yeah, it's just a bunch of different papers. Okay, I love this. This is beautiful. I might have to copy this. It's just so like simple and elegant, I guess, is how I would describe it. Look at that. So yeah, I might have to, you know, borrow some ideas from that. Because wow. I still want to make my own homemade paper. I'm still kind of trying to start that. I just haven't done it yet. But this makes me want to do that. Okay, what else do we have here? We have this. I'm not sure what this is. I always have the hardest time finding where you open it. There we go. Okay, let's see. They have it tied up with the ribbon. I'm wondering if this feels like kind of like ribbon. Oh, cool. It's like these mesh things that you can in different colors. I like this one a lot. That's pretty. Okay, so just some mesh and stuff. I'm never really sure how to use that, but I'm sure I can figure something out. We have some ink pads here for wood, paper. Oh, for wood, fabric, wood, and paper. Oh, that's cool. So it's like a purple, it looks like, and black. They sent this little card with a wax seal attached to it. Let's see. Okay, we have another little envelope here. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, it's stapled on the bottom so it stays attached. Okay. Oh, look at this. It's like an ephemera holder. Okay, that's really cool. And it has a bunch of different stuff in it. Oh, oh, cool. It's already pre-made like little things. So like I could just throw this in a journal as a pocket or something. Wow. That's really cool. Okay, let's see what else they got. Oh, this one's beautiful. So it's nice because it gives you like ideas of what you can do with a lot of the products that you got. I think this is my favorite. All right, let's see what else. Again, I gotta rush through the rest. Oh, it's so pretty. It gives me so many ideas because I've never been good at making collages. So it's nice to see like some already put together so you can have ideas of what to do with stuff. Because yeah, man, I'm really bad with collaging. Oh, it's all so beautiful. Let's look at one more. Let's grab this one. Oh, it has a little mini. I've always wanted to find these little mini paper clips. Very cute. Okay, so let's just put that back in and see what else we got. Okay, put that over here. We only got a few more things in here. So we got all these little like ribbon here or thread or whatever you want to call it. All right, just a couple more things. Let's see what we have here. It's a wooden stamp and it looks like it's like a partial moon or like a crescent moon. Duh. Oh, that's cool. I'll have to use that in another video when I have a little more time to kind of show you guys like how it looks. What is this? Is this a stamp? Yeah, it is. Star tulip. Oh, that is a pretty stamp. Look at how pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use that. I would have to say that I am like in love with so many of the things in here. Save me, please. I'm guessing this is a stamp also that looks like this. So cute. Oh, it's a thank you stamp. And then we have a ticket stamp. So it'll look like that, which is cool because I've been wanting one of these. So that's pretty exciting. My girls keep coming in and out. I have to keep pausing. But okay, this is the last thing right here. Oh, it's a bunch of paper. I think maybe it did show the stuff you were getting inside, but I wanted to be surprised, so I didn't look at everything. Which is nice because then there's some surprises. Oh my gosh, if you guys could see this paper. Oh, it's hard to make out. It's all flowers on there and it feels so nice. I don't really want to unpackage it yet, but here's some of the different papers. It's all so pretty. Oh, it's a lot of the things that were on the collages. Well, that's really pretty. All right, so that was the last thing in here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to let me know what your favorite thing was that we got in here today. I think all of it is my favorite. I really love this journal. And I really love these little flower appliques and butterflies. So pretty. And also the stamps. I'm very excited about the stamps and the wax seals. Pretty much everything I'm so excited about. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, if you would please go ahead and like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.